Reports. Choose from the predefined reports list the right report for your current needs. Depending on your role, you can analyze in real time your projects and resources performance, see your projects and invoices status, or the planned, allocated and spent days for each project, phase or resource. Timesheet. See your team member's timesheet for a specific month, or check your personal timesheet. Projects and resources capacity. See all your team members' allocated and spent hours on each project and phase. Choosing the project perspective, you will compare the allocated and spent hours against the planned hours on project or phase. You will always know the exact effort that was already spent on your projects and the number of days left to be spent. You will check that the hours are spent in accordance with the allocations made, and you will know when the allocations need to be adjusted to keep the project on track. Choosing to see the allocated and spent hours on projects from resource perspective, you will see at a glance how your resources work is split between projects, if your resources are fully allocated, or if they are overloaded. You will also check here if the time spent is in accordance with the allocated time, and will compare the spent and allocated time against the norm of each resource. Resources budget consumption. Follow the resources allocated days according to the planned days budget while the project is ongoing, and make sure that hours are spent according to the planned resource budget to keep your resources profitable and maintain your organization effectiveness. Project timesheet. Visualize each project timesheet with detailed information of time allocated and spent by each resource on daily or weekly basis. Invoice plan. See the planned versus invoiced amounts on projects and phases on a monthly basis. Planned versus invoiced. Make sure that all invoices are going out and being planned and invoiced as expected, and that the project delivery plan is being followed. Project's performance. Review the project's performance in real time, measuring their profitability. See for each of your projects its planned versus actual revenue, cost and margin. Resources performance. Review the resources performance in real time, measuring their profitability. See for each of your resources the planned versus actual revenue, cost and profit. Use filters to obtain only the needed information. When it's the case, choose how you want the information to be revealed by selecting the desired show type and time measurement. Generate the report using the selected criteria. Export the report data to an CSV file and save it on your computer when necessary.